This is Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Pi Pico W homework for lesson number 58. He's asked us to take the angle of the joystick and convert and use that to adjust the servo. Okay, so let me start through that. I get up here. If you look here, I've imported machine, from machine pin, PWM, ADC, and I2C. The PWM is for the servo. The I2C is for the display, and the ADC is for the joystick. Now down here we've got import math, and I say from math import arctan2, which is a very new thing. I didn't know about arctan2, and then pi and square root. Those are the two things we need for the math on this program. Now here I've imported stuff from the SSD 1306 display, the frame buffer, free sans 20, and writer. This gives me larger font. Then here I just describe the size of the display, and I give the information on the display. I'm using SDA. Data pin is 14 and the clock pin is 15, and I use channel number 1. And then we set up a object, OLED object, using all that information, and it's passing it down. Okay, here we got, this is the same stuff we've been using for the joystick. Pin 27 is the X, pin 26 is the Y. I've defined a servo pin as 16, and then I've set the servo frequency to 50. Now if you come down here, you can see all the stuff for the joystick. I get the degrees by taking the arctan2 of the Y cal and the X cal, which is Y and X, and then come down here and I round it and times it times 360, so we get 360 degrees on the display. And then down here, if the degrees is greater than 0 and less than 180, go ahead and write the value for the servo. That keeps it from sending information that it doesn't know what to do with. It only works from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Now down here I'm just using the display. I'm displaying the angle and the degrees, and then I display the x-axis and the y-axis. Down here I've got the servo duty U16 unsigned 16-bit, and I round it and write the value to the servo, and then we sleep to 200 milliseconds. Now when we go back here, you can see, now watch, I'll take the thing and put it on 90 degrees. You can see the servo went to 90, and if I go back to 0, it goes to 0, and we're not exactly seeing that, are we? There we go. How about that? 90, 0, and 180 is a little flaky on this joystick. You can kind of get it. There it goes, almost to 180, 174. And you can kind of go like this, back up and around. Like I say, this is probably the worst joystick in the world. Anyhow, that's my homework, and I appreciate you doing all these videos, Paul. And thanks a lot. Bye-bye.